Hey guys, welcome back to WebToTech YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to log in to Ring account. So now without any further ado, let's begin with the process. So Ring is an application that allows you to watch over your property from anywhere with Ring video doorbells, security cameras and alarm systems along with smart lights. So now let me show you how you can simply log in to your Ring account. Now, simply launch the Ring app. Once you are here, tap on the option of Sign In just below Create Account. Now, within a matter of seconds, you'll be led to this website. Now, simply start by entering your email address that you had used to create your Ring account. Here we go. Now, tap on the option of Continue at the bottom. Now, just enter your account password and then tap on the option of Sign In. In case if you have forgotten your password, tap on the option of Forgotten your password and then you can recover your Ring account. So now let's tap on Sign In. And now you have to enter the verification code that has been sent to your mobile number. So don't forget to check that. Now, let me enter the code sent to my mobile device. Here we go. Now, simply tap on Verify Code. And in case if you haven't received the verification code, what can you do is tap on Didn't receive a code and sign in another way. So after that, you may verify your Ring account through your email address instead. Now I'm going to tap on Verify Code. Now, once you have verified your phone number, you will be directly logged into your Ring account. Now, you can easily use the application according to your choice. And that's all for today. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.